What's good, YouTube? Anthony Lyons, Aldesigns, back with another video. As you can see, I am sitting in a BMW. This is the vehicle that replaced the C8. I had the 2021 Corvette C8, which in the last video I explained that I totaled it. Was driving down here in San Diego, went to go put some gas in it, and a lady hit her brake so hard that I couldn't stop and totaled it. So now I have a BMW I8, and we'll have some videos of the install on this. Still contemplating what to put in here. I did take out some of the stuff from the C8, so we'll incorporate some of that in here. We'll put a nice demo system together for Aldesigns in the BMW I8. Very cool car. Been having a lot of fun with it so far. So just wanted to touch base with y'all and let y'all know what car replaced the Corvette. Now, I am going to start Phil's center console. Last video you saw that I finished up the rear tray. It's now in his possession in Arizona. So now this video we are going to tackle the center console, and then more to come from Aldesigns. Yours truly. Happy holidays, getting ready for the new year. Christmas is around the corner in 3 or 4 days. So let's get this center console done, and then we can move on to doing some really cool stuff to the BMW i8. And I also have a surprise for you guys, one last big install here in San Diego. We'll get that in about a few weeks. So sit tight, get some popcorn, whatever snacks you like, and get ready for a really kick-ass center console. And let's get it. What's good, y'all? Check this out. Before I get started on that center console, let's talk about how bad things are right now. As you can see, I got a few items here. Nothing too crazy. What, 2, 4, 6, 8 items. 8 items from the store. Just have a little lunch, a little dinner. This was $100. $100 for 8 items. Now, I know I got salmon and some steak, but still, this is ridiculous. I should have just went to McDonald's, got a double-double, or double bacon, whatever they call it, and be good with it. But $100. At least I got my vodka, but damn. Let's get going on this center console. Damn. All right, y'all, working on that center console for the 64 Impala for Phil over in Arizona. Last piece of the puzzle. So let's get to it. So as you can see, I got a little scrap piece of wood here, 1/2 inch MDF. I'm gonna use this as my template. Basically, you see these lines right here. I'm gonna cut out this rib, and then we're gonna do what's called a stack fab. We're gonna cut out as many of these as I need to get up to 12 inches in width, and that's gonna be the bulk of the center console, and then we'll have 2 side pieces. So stay tuned. There's the shape I came up with. We're gonna have some switches on there. We're gonna have some goodies. So stay tuned as I conquer this center console for the 64, as Roscoe's over there chewing on a bone down in San Diego. About another month before I head back to the Great Northwest. So stay tuned. Let's go. All right, y'all. So as you can see, making progress on the center console for the 64 Impala. Got the stack fab going on. As you can see, there's the initial shape on the left. We have the ribs all the way going. Ran out of wood, so we're gonna cut this video short, and I will do the next episode. We'll have some molding and shaping, and We'll see what's all going on here, the goodies. We're gonna have some cup holders and some switches and etc. So, man, excuse me, I'm a little sick. But there you have it. We're gonna keep this plugging away, and then I will show you some pictures of the new ride, the BMW I8, which took over, replaced the C8. And we'll just keep going, all right? Aldesigns, 2023 almost over. Let's go.